I'm currently heading. Another TikTok creator invited me to a meet today. It's like an annual meet, which I'd never heard of before, in Calne, C-A-N-L-E, Calne, I don't know how to say it. I've never been there. But apparently it's quite big. It's like an annual thing, kind of like Brighton Burn Up, Margate Meltdown. Where I've always lived sort of on the southeast coast, I only really knew about the Mayday Run and Margate and Brighton. Never heard of this one, so I thought, why not? We'll take a trip down there. But yeah, it's a lad on TikTok called Phoenix, who's got a Fireblade in Phoenix decals, and it actually looks fucking mint, to be honest. So I can't wait to see and hear his bike in person. So yeah, it should be good. Should be fairly decent. Tap, tap, tap. It's the first day I've actually managed to get out on the bike in so long that I was running out of videos. My last video released this Friday, just gone. Today's Saturday, the 27th. And where my last video released on Friday the 26th, and I was panicking because I didn't have anything for the Monday, because at minimum I want 2 uploads a week for all you lot to watch. And I was starting to set in a little bit because we've had nothing but rain. I've been just absolutely smashed at work, just been so fucking busy. I didn't think I was going to be able to stick to the 2 videos a week. So we might have to drop it down to 1 video a week just for the time being, so I can build up and get ahead of myself again. Especially because I think I said in another video, I'm going away for 3 months, so I won't be able to record anything, I won't be able to do anything, so it's going to have to be 1 video a week just for those 3 months, unfortunately, because I don't have the time to get ahead of myself. Stuck in traffic. I've had to filter for ages. My arse hurts, my back hurts, my legs hurt, my throttle hand hurts, and we've still got 34 minutes to go. Oh god. And I thought I'd turn the camera back on because this road seems lovely. This road has a nice few bends in it. It's just a shame about the old traffic. Coach is glistening on the floor. That's quite cool. Yeah, people who don't ride bikes probably wonder why we do this. Just let our legs hang like this. It's because some bikes have awful riding positions, and we need to allow blood flow back to our legs. There we are, 834 Nubra. So we do this for comfort reasons. Allowing blood flow reasons. Some people would probably just do it because they're bored, I'm not going to lie. However, I've now got pins and needles in my legs. That's not a good thing, not while riding a bike. I need to be able to feel my feet. We might actually have to pull over here, I can feel it, it's awful. But I'll tell you what I can do. Filter! Yay! Oh, we love a good filtering. I could be in my car with extreme comfort and aircon, but I'd be stuck in traffic. Or I could be on a bike in an uncomfortable position, getting cramp and pins and needles, but being able to filter. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Legend. Absolute legend. Thank you. Cheers. He moved right over for me. 24 minutes away, I'll get there at 30. That means it gives me like 14 minutes to chill before we set off again. Ooh, this is not a good day. Well, it is a good day, but it's not. Because my body hurts. I I don't know where. Has he had me on? Some random guy from TikTok's had me on. He's just gone, yeah, you know what, come to this meet, here's a website. There's probably a meeting. He's like, yeah, we're meeting here. Come meet us here. We'll meet you there. And we'll go for a ride. And then I've just rode all the way up here to meet nobody. I'll probably give him a bell in a minute. Find out whereabouts he is. Maybe they're all meeting in Tesco's? Aisle 15? Hey, what? We're just gonna dump our bike here for now. Right. So let me wheel it forward so I'm not blocking this dude's car in case he's got kids and that needs the back door open. So we filled up and now we're going to head down to Calne, whatever the fuck it's called. It's my first time meeting these boys. Really RSV4, ZX6R and a blade. Fucking hell, his bike is loud, man. Back on the baby bike. I'm with 3 litre bikes. I feel like I'm on a 125 with loads of 600s again. Oh. Always on the baby. Well, no, I'm not on the baby bike. That's a ZX6R, but still. I still feel like it because the ZX6R, as you guys will know by now, is my dream bike. And that one's clean as well. I don't even know what year it is. It's got custom plate. But it's clean. It looks so good. Bumpy as fuck, that. I'll catch you up. Boys. fucking idiot. What are you doing? Try and block me from getting through. Fuck's sake. Guess who's getting pulled? Oh, this might be the copper who's going to pull me over. No. Hey?
We're gonna go here.
Alright, cool. Let me move out your way.
Nah, you're good, mate.
Ugh. Oh, fuck it. I'm being the pussy. Fucking hell. Oh, fuck that. It's too hot. Oh, it's hot. Show off. Okay, show off. Absolutely not. He was definitely holding off for me. Too slow. Needs more power. Huh? I'm going straight down. Ride safe. Right. In a bit. It's very hot. I've been sweating all fucking day. It is very, very, very hot. Ugh. Just lean back.